look inside this, see if we can test the motor and things like that. So a lot, there's an on and off switch for your light, there's a control board and 3 speeds. So just whip this off first. Okay, so a lot of wires come from the control box. I'll tell you, I'll strip this apart. It looks like there's going to be 3 wires to test for the motor, and that is really all you need to know is how to test the motor on these. Obviously it's just an extractor fan, so I'll take it apart, get this motor out and we'll try and see what the test results are. Right, so just looks like we've got fan, 3 coil wires. I presume each one of them will be bigger than the other to give 3 speeds, and then the neutral return. The other end of these 3 fan wires go down to the selector switch, which is here. So I'm just going to test it from the end of here to the neutral. Right. So I'm going to put my black negative end to the red wire. And test between each end of these coils. So 92 ohms. 66. And 37, all different, obviously giving different powers. So I know that fan's okay. You can test these switches as well, I suppose, just by testing them in each way. But I'm not going to do that. Right, that's it. That fan's okay on that. I'll put it back together.